back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm very happy you're here today. We're going to talk about yarn. I love yarn. So, why are we talking about yarn? We're talking about yarn because I want to tell you a little secret on how I shop for yarn. Yes, she's finally revealing a secret. Yes, I'm revealing a secret that I haven't seen anybody else talk about. Or at least not talk about why they do it. So, first of all, let's talk about how yarn is made. It is made in a factory and it is put on a mechanical like spindle and wound super tight. Depending on how much yardage and what kind of yarn it is and stuff, it's all wound differently. But for the most part, if it's wound for a big box store, then it's wound pretty tight. Did you know, and you might, but did you know that how a yarn is wound has nothing to do with how soft it is? It seems like it would, but it really doesn't. See, here's the thing. When a ball is wound super tight, like say this one, this is a Hirschner's Worsted 8 yarn. And to be honest, okay, it's not the softest yarn in the world, but they are trying to improve it. And this is one of the older skeins. This is, does it even say what year it is? No. But this is one of the older skeins. And as you can see, it's wound pretty tight. Like, you know, that's pretty... It doesn't go out very far. So when you feel the outside, it's stiff and it's kind of rough and you're not thrilled with it. If you go shopping in person, I want you to do this, okay? You have to feel the inside of the yarn to know how soft it is, truly. Because this has all been wound by a machine and tightened and pulled. And yeah, when something is tight and stiff, it's not very comfortable. But the inside is wound less. And you can, sorry, gotta make sure I pull the one with the tag. You can just stick your fingers in there, pull it out a little bit. Feel how loose it is, and that will tell you how soft the yarn is. Now, to be quite honest, this is the old version and it's not very soft, but it's still softer here than it is here. And you can try it on any skein of yarn. I'll show you. This is Red Heart with Love. Softer than Red Heart Super Saver, but as you can see, this is a brand new skein. I have never used this, and it is wound, see the label? It is wound pretty loose, but this part is still tight enough that you don't quite get that softness feeling. So you stick your fingers inside, pull out a little bit, and then try and feel the loose fibers and see if that's a yarn you want to work with. That's what you do if you're shopping in a store, but what if you have to shop online or want to shop online or something's only available online? That's where it gets a little harder, but it's still possible. If there's a yarn that you are super interested in trying, see if somebody else has tried it first. Somebody like a YouTuber that you really like, or a designer that you really like, or a family member. Have they tried it? And get their thoughts. That is what I did for this yarn. Worsted 8 Heathers. I heard so many people say that this yarn was super soft, but I was skeptical because, you know, that same company. But I did know that the Hirschner's Antiquity yarn was softer, and I'd ordered that, so I thought I'd give the Heathers a chance. This is so soft. Seriously, so soft. By the way, I am not affiliated with Hirschner's. I wish, but no, I'm not. I love their company. I use their yarn all the time. I think their kits are wonderful, but I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I saw several of my favorite YouTubers talk about this and try it out, and I got to see how they used it and stuff, and I was like, oh, okay. So when I got this ball, it is kind of soft on the outside, but oh my goodness. If you reach the inside and you pull some out, so soft. I'm trying to figure out what this would feel like. This does not feel like a lot of yarns I know. Kind of like if I Love This Yarn and Big Twist got together and made each other a little bit stronger, like a stronger fiber, and were mixed. Kind of like that. Because it's a nice strong fiber, but it is super soft, and I absolutely planned on making a wearable with this. So, and I don't make a lot of wearables, but I want to wear this. But again, I had to take a chance because I didn't know, you know, but I trust those people. I trust their opinion, and this is great. All yarns are different. You never know what they're going to be like until you try them. And you can watch a billion videos and you can look at yarn forever, but until it's actually in your hand, you won't know how you really feel about it. But if you trust the people telling you it's good, you could give it a try. I did. And I like it. So that's my recommendation for you. When you want to yarn shop, whether it's in person or not in person, how the yarn feels is very important. So you either need to do the research, or you need to feel it yourself. You need to go inside that ball, pull some out, feel it. That's how you feel how truly soft it is. That's my opinion. If you guys have any tips, write them down below, put them in the comment section. Any tips for what you do when you yarn shop, how you yarn shop, just anything you think other people could benefit from. That's what the comment section is here for, you guys. It's not just for me to read. You guys should read it too. There's some really great ideas. You're all so creative and fascinating, and you inspire me. You're great. I love my subscribers. They're wonderful. And anybody who comments down below or emails me or messages me on Instagram, you know, you rock. And even if you're just here and you're just watching, you rock too. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I don't stick to a schedule. I'm a Spoonie. We can't do that. So you won't know unless you turn that on. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. That is what I call my lovely subscribers over here. If you're just visiting, please come on back. We'd love to have you as part of our little Yarny Zebra family. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and Spoonies can stitch it up too.